Today we're going to look at Sumly, a free iPhone app that summarizes web pages for you. It's supposed to save you time when browsing a bunch of web links. Overall, we give it 3 stars. The design was pretty simple, but the usefulness, it sounds like it would be useful, but we didn't find it to work all that well for certain types of web searches. Let's look at some examples. If we open up Sumly and type in a search, let's say Newt, as in Newt Gingrich. He's been in the news lately, and since Sumly does pretty well with news topics, it'll summarize multiple web pages and focus in on the main idea for each page. Let's do another search, say dinosaur. What we'll see is really a collection of news results, so we're not going to learn about dinosaurs, but we're going to see current news stories on dinosaurs. The good really is that if you're looking for some news items, this app works pretty well. The bad is if you're searching for blogs or shopping or trying to learn about a topic, this app won't help much. To tell you a little bit more about that, let's take a look at what else you can do with the app. On the bottom left, you can look at recent searches you performed. So it gave me 3 of the stories that were on Google News as the summary. And if you want to type in an exact URL or web address, click on New Summary. So let's try Amazon.com. And that's where we're going to get the error message. It says there aren't enough words on the page, and that's because Amazon has optimized the site for the mobile phone. Now let's try a blog that uses WordPress. We'll see the summary, but unfortunately it includes JavaScript, which isn't readable. So it doesn't really summarize stories on the blog, and that's a problem for some users. Here are things you can do with the web page summary. You can email the summary, and you can share it in different ways. They also have a plugin for Safari if you want to streamline summaries while using the regular Safari web browser. Well, that's it for Sumly. If you like this app, you might also like these other 3 apps. There's Offline Reader for browsing web pages offline. Atomic Light is another web browser.